Hey everyone, so today I have a new smoothie recipe for you guys, and this is my new favorite. This is creamy, it's an orange smoothie, it tastes so good, and one of my favorite things about it is it's so simple to make. I'm only using 4 ingredients, and I've had this smoothie in place of my breakfast, also maybe in the afternoon for a snack, and I'm gonna go over some benefits of using collagen. This is what I've been liking to use for all my smoothies and also baking. You can add it into anything, so let's go ahead and get started. Grab a blender and add 1 banana, 1 cup of orange juice, and half a cup of almond milk. And then you'll just need 1 scoop of this collagen powder. And this video is kindly sponsored by BioSchwartz, so thank you so much. Collagen is great because it promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. It also supports your bones and joints, plus it stirs in and mixes easily with anything. So you could add a scoop of this to your meals, you could add it to your drinks, so you could combine just 1 scoop of this into your favorite beverage or meal 1 to 2 times a day. And I've only been using this product for about 14 days now, and I've noticed that my nails seem stronger. This has also curbed cravings, and my skin just looks smoother and healthier. Definitely check out the description bar for more. I'll put a direct link there for BioSchwartz's collagen product. And this is the smoothie. Again, this is very creamy and just very delicious, and I again love this because it's so easy and quick to make. Just 4 ingredients, so you're not making a big mess in your kitchen. I decided to because I thought this looked pretty. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys try out this recipe because it's so good. And again, check out the description bar for more. And I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!